Good morning, you guys. Praful here. Welcome back. Thanks for joining in. Today is 30th of August, the penultimate day of trading of this calendar month before we go into the no trading day on 1st September, which is on Wednesday. Make sure you support the retail community and don't be a snitch and you know अंदर अंदर ही ट्रेड मत करो. क्या आप एक दिन ट्रेड करके अंबानी बनने वाला है? करेक्ट. तो ऐसा है कि आपका एक दिन का ट्रेडिंग इनकम हो सकता है कि 10 लाख 15 लाख, ठीक है, मान सकता है. बट if you're not making any kind of if you're not making that kind of money, then there's no harm for you guys to not trade on one day. ठीक है. It's very important, at least at this point, to come together and take a stance and not pussy out. That being said, the markets are inching higher. Like, inching is an understatement. They are like just skyrocketing. So last 1 month we are almost up by more than 1,200 points. And if you want to take the low of 15,500 that we hit some time back, we are up by 1,300 points in less than 4 weeks. So which is almost like 8-9% of market rally. So we are in an uncharted territory. Definitely we are in an uncharted territory, and that doesn't make me any comfortable to trade intraday triangles, because एक एक अपटिक से भी मतलब कॉल साइड का अनवाइंडिंग होना शुरू कर देता है. एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इफ द कॉल साइड अनवाइंडिंग कंटिन्यूज, देन इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू मैनेज द call side IV, and you just need to hope that the market reverses and the call side IV cools off. So I don't want that to happen, and I don't want to get stuck in some sort of a call side IV spec, because कहाँ पे है प्राइस एक्शन पॉइंट्स? कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे. रुक एट दिस. खाली जगह पे. करेक्ट. खाली मैदान पे घूम रहे हैं हम लोग. कुछ भी हो सकता है. यहाँ से एक फास्ट प्रॉफिट बुकिंग भी आ सकता है. शॉर्ट कवरिंग रैली ट्रिगर होके अप टू 16,850, 875, 900 तक भी जा सकता है. सो कुछ भी भरोसा नहीं है. सो व्हेन यू आर अनसर्टन, most it's better that you don't trade that day. Correct. But if you are split between करूं या ना करूं, करूं या ना करूं, अगर आज अच्छा डीके मिल गया तो, अगर if you are split between these two decisions, then probably you should just enter with some क्या बोलते हैं, नाम के वास्ते का quantity. So instead of going with 4,000 quantity, I have gone in with only 1,000 quantity, which is just 25% on my sizing. And I'm getting a lot of requests on, सर एल्गो का क्या हो रहा है, एल्गो का क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है, एल्गो का क्या है. So after that freak trade, we took a bit of break to again develop some of the mechanisms to handle those freak trades also, and now we are using multiple methods. Probably helps us to mitigate those freak trades and stuff like that. We are working on that. तो अभी भी ट्रेड चल रहा है. आई एम नॉट शोइंग दैट बिकॉज ऐसे एक खाली फुकट का ऐसे एक 100 क्वांटिटी के साथ ट्रेड चलता रहे. वी डू अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रायल एंड एरर हियर. तो इसको दिखा के कुछ मतलब नहीं बनता, बिकॉज यहाँ पे देखो, मॉर्निंग आई टुक अ निफ्टी स्ट्रैडल and immediately मैंने क्लोज किया and then ran the bank nifty thing because the testing was important. Since I'm in only with 25% of my quantities, I'm not concerned much. So I let this 16,950 reach 30 तक जाने तक भी मतलब कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि at some point the market has to consolidate. क्योंकि इतना गैप अप के बाद, after this kind of a rally and the markets are heading higher, especially the strengths coming from Reliance and HDFC. So, and now Bank Nifty has also found the support at the day's low, and even the Bank Nifty is kind of heading back up. So there is सब जगह से strength आ रही है, and if at all we see some sort of a short covering rally, then probably this won't take long to reach 32, 33. So the risk appetite for the day is 5k. That's it. 5 point मतलब we take 5 point stop loss at any point. Adjust करेंगे, without adjustment नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं. तो adjust करके 5 point stop loss लेके we'll get out. So probably if I want to come to 16,650 also, I don't mind coming to 16,650. It's at 32 rupees. Probably that would be a better idea since we are heading higher. All right. ठीक है. Okay, now we have a bit of a cushion from the put side now, but nonetheless I won't be too aggressive in shifting the puts higher. The reason being, all time high पे चल रहे हैं, and कभी भी sudden एक immediate reversal आ सकता है, and I don't want to get stuck in that. Alright guys, the market is constantly heading higher. कभी रिलायंस से स्ट्रेंथ आ रही है, कभी बैंक निफ्टी से स्ट्रेंथ आ रही है, एंड फॉर्चुनेटली निफ्टी IT and HDFC have gone sideways. But yeah, the thing is we are currently in a proper delta neutral position. What I did is from 16600 से लेके 16600 से लेके मैं 16650 पुट को मैंने स्विच किया. आफ्टर दैट आई स्टॉप टेकिंग एडिशनल पुट साइड क्रेडिट. फ्रॉम देयर आई जस्ट shifted the calls from 16950 to 17000, and now we are at a 17050 option. So though we are exactly centered, अगर देख सकते हैं तो this is a 400 points triangle which is worth around 39 rupees worth है the 400 points triangle, and the markets are exactly centered, exactly 16850 पे है. We are 200 points away from the calls and 200 points away from the puts. Even then, the skew is almost 100%. 100% skew का मतलब क्या है? If you look at this, जब ये 6 points नीचे आता है तो this 17050 call will go to 13 and this will go to 26. तो exactly delta neutral position पे the calls are trading exactly double the value of the puts, and we are obviously the VIX is spiking. तो सुबह almost 3% down था VIX, and now suddenly the VIX has shot up to almost 1.5% on a close to close basis. But on a days low to high basis ये जो ये निकाल देते हैं तो from here 13.08 to 13.6 almost 5%, 4% कम से कम 4% spike हुआ है VIX. So of course like we are at a mild 2-point drawdown, तो मैं इसको ज़्यादा मॉनिटर भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ. तो अभी एडजस्टमेंट पॉइंट कहाँ रहेगा? तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आई विल वेट दिस टू रीच अराउंड 28, 29, 30, and then probably I'll shift this again away, and at any point as I said I reach like 5k mark to market, I'll close it. क्योंकि मैं क्लियरली बताया था मार्केट में फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स में जैसे गैप अप होके at an all-time high and we are heading higher like relentlessly, that kind of it killed my mood to actually play the intraday triangle. जब ऐसे होता है तो most of the time 16 इसको सब लोग जब ये बार बार 16700 लेवल्स पे रेजिस्टेंस ले रहा था, a lot of people would have shorted 16800 900 कॉल्स को शॉर्ट करके गए रहते हैं over the weekend. And when the markets gapped up and when their options, when their call options, when their short call options start becoming at the money and in the money, either of the two things can happen. So the first thing is people will aggressively short the in the money puts and at the money puts to stop the bleeding from their call side, or they'll start unwinding the calls. दोनों केस में a person who's doing intraday triangle would never benefit. कैसे? Let's take the first case. First case में more and more people will short at the money and in the money put options, but the out of the money put options will start becoming hedges for these in the money put options. So out of the money जो OTM put options जो रहता है, even like 200-300 points OTM का put options, they will stop losing the value, and that way you would be better off playing a straddle and not a strangle. Secondly, now once people start unwinding their call options, which at least some people will do, because हर एक बंदा जाके मतलब additional risk नहीं लेगा, so some people will be like the moment their view goes wrong they'll just start unwinding, and at that point it becomes very hard to sit through the call side IV spike, and all we have to do is just hope for the reversal. So that's why the risk reward was never in the favor of intraday non-directional players. So it's a good thing that we kept the position really light, because at one point I was down by 4.5 points, और थोड़ा मतलब नीचे चले जाते तो most probably I would have booked the loss. Imagine like me taking around 4,000 quantities, then definitely I would have booked a good amount of loss. So anyway, since why I'm not taking like aggressive position is, one, because of how the options are pricing and where the markets are heading, and at the same time has not been a great month for me. I'm just up by 3%, सिर्फ 3% up after charges. I mean charges के बिना before charges I'm up by 4%. Of course the portfolio is doing well, but that's a separate thing. So F&O trades में I'm just up by 3%, so I don't want to take any additional risk and I'm not in a position to afford another 30k loss today. So अगर एक और बार 30k loss ले लेता हूँ तो probably like I'll end the August series with just like 2%. So I don't want that. At least like 3% लेके we'll call August a month and then we'll take it from September. Like जो होगा देखा जाएगा. So those are the two reasons like why am I playing the way I'm playing. Alright guys, the time is 4:42 and मैंने अपडेट नहीं दे पाया बिकॉज जब मार्केट 6900 को तोड़ा, दिस वॉज माई लाइन, दिस वॉज मैंने जो डाल के रखा था, जैसे ब्रीच हो गया आई क्लोज माई पोजिशन एंड कॉल्ड इट अ डे. कौन सा टाइम पे? 12:45 पे. कब ब्रीच हुआ ये? समवेयर यही पॉइंट पे, जब ये फॉर्म होके 20 मूविंग एवरेज पे सपोर्ट लेके ब्रीच कर रहा था, देन दैट्स व्हेन आई क्लोज द पोजिशन एंड कॉल्ड इट अ डे. वैसे भी मैं प्रॉफिट्स के लिए आज खेल ही नहीं रहा था. इट्स जस्ट दैट you guys know whenever I'm not comfortable taking the trades, I just take some dummy 20 lots या 40 lots ऐसे ट्रेड करके मैं बैठ जाता हूँ. मैंने जल्दी मतलब पोजीशन स्क्वायर अप कर लिया because the IVs were rising and there was unwinding towards the call side and there was no support from the put side, क्योंकि after some point it doesn't make sense to keep shifting the puts up because ऐसे पॉइंट पे पता नहीं चलता है कब प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आके एक इमीडिएट बड़ा रैपिड फॉल आ सकता है, right? So yeah, there is nothing much for you guys to take away from this video. If at all you need to take away something from this video, it's just whenever you're not comfortable, better to sit out. Or if you have that urge to trade and if you have that FOMO कि अरे यार आज नहीं ट्रेड करूंगा और मार्केट फ्लैट हो गया तो मेरा डीके मिस हो जाएगा, then probably take a smaller quantity and have a wider leeway for the markets to move, so that even if you take the loss is just that loss just feels like an ant bite, and even if you make the profit would be really good. So that's it guys for the day, and probably कल भी मतलब मैं शायद इंट्राडे ट्रेड नहीं करूंगा because काफी markets are like pretty overstretched and to everyone's surprise, क्योंकि जो लोग 17,000 का कॉल सेल करके बैठे थे अगस्त मंथ में, even that 17,000 का कॉल ऑप्शन is trading at freaking 50 rupees. It's just one strike away from where the markets are. So that's the kind of markets, and be fluid, be agile, never fight with the markets, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.